Hello friends! In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to crochet a dressed-up teddy bear. Does it look like Crochet Paddington bear to you or not? The teddy bear is approximately 8 centimeters. To make it, you will need 3-ply yarn in the desired colors, a 2.5mm crochet hook, needle, and scissors. You can adapt this teddy bear applique, and you can use it to lots of different projects such as crochet baby booties, hats, sweaters, cardigans, and baby blankets. If you want to make a dress-up bear fidget toy, you will need a 5 centimeters hair clip. If you want to crochet a teddy bear keychain, you will need stuffing and a keychain. You can also attach a magnet to it to turn it into a fridge magnet. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the CC button. Start with magic circle or magic ring. Chain 3, count like first stitch. Work on circle and do 14 double crochet stitches. In total will be 15 stitches. Now we'll crochet an invisible join. Close the magic circle and hide the tails of yarn. Now we will crochet the raincoat and we will start with a slip knot. Chain 8. Start with 5th chain from the crochet hook and do 3 double crochet stitches. In last chain, do 7 double crochet stitches. Do 2 double crochet stitches. Do 2 double crochet stitches in next one. Turn and do 3 slip stitches. Chain 3. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Do 1/2 double crochet stitch. Do 1 single crochet stitch. Now, we take the 2 pieces, place them face to face, and we will work through both top loops and make 3 slip stitches. We proceed in this way to join them so that we no longer have to sew them. Next, we will work through both loops only on the blue side. Do 1 single crochet stitch. Do 1/2 double crochet stitch. Do 1 double crochet stitch. Chain 3. Do 1 slip stitch in same space and fasten off. It's time to embroider the details on the coat and the eyes and mouth. Don't rush when you do these details. The final look of your teddy bear depends on them. If you want to use this crochet bear like an applique for your projects, go directly to next part of the video. But if you want to get a fidget toy or a keychain, repeat the first part of the tutorial up to the embroidery part and make another part of the teddy bear, which will be the back. Sew the 2 pieces together on the blue side. Don't forget to insert the hair clip for the clicker bear version or the stuffing for the keychain bear version. For the bear's ear, we will join yarn in the 3rd stitch from the neck on the right side. Chain 1 to secure the yarn. Do 2 double crochet stitches in next one. Do 1 slip stitch in same space and fasten off. Turn the bear, count 3 stitches from the neck and repeat to make second ear. Chain 1 to secure the yarn. Do 2 double crochet stitches in next one. Do 1 slip stitch in same space and fasten off. For the teddy bear's hat, we will join the yarn near the right ear and make 2 chains. In same space, do 1/2 double crochet stitch. Do 1 double crochet stitch. In same space, do 2 triple crochet stitches. In next space, do 2 triple crochet stitches. In same space, do 1 double crochet stitch. In next space, do 2 half double crochet stitches, then fasten off. For the bear's hand, we will repeat 3 times in the same space. Chain 2, 1 slip stitch. Fasten off and hide the tails of yarn. For the bear boot, join the yarn, chain 2, then in same space, do 3 half double crochet stitches. fasten off, and hide the tails of yarn. I hope you found today's tutorial useful. Thank you for watching and have a great day.